Wait, you want more animals' names?
Yeah.
You will learn more animals? Alright.
Monkey inside.
Yeah, what is it?
Monkey inside.
Monkey. What does the monkey eat? You told me.
The banana.
Yeah.
They eat this banana and the monkey. Oh, what happened in the tail, Dad?
The same, it's a rabbit
What's
again.
What's happened in the tail, Dad?
What's happened with the tail?
Yeah.
He's hurt.
No, yeah. Yeah.
What is it, Zip? It's a kid.
The cat.
It's a cat.
How about this with the milk?
Which one?
Milk.
Don't use your food. Huh?
The milk is cat.
Look at this kitty, see? It looks so
The
cute.
milk is cat.
Milk?
Yeah.
I don't see milk over here. It's just an animal.
How about this? What is that?
What is it?
Fox.
It's a fox. Amazing.
How about this?
Which one?
What's that?
Is it?
Yeah. What's that?
It's a tapir.
Happy ear?
Yeah. How about this? It's a panda again, kangaroo again. How about this?
Monkey again?
That's not a monkey. It's a monkey. It's orang utan. You still remember what it is?
What's that? Rhino.
That's a rhino. Amazing. Oh, give me 5 again. Yeah.
What's the deer?
Where's the deer?
The deer.
Yeah, it's a deer again. How about this?
The bear eat.
It's a bear. We didn't see it in the previous paper.
He eats the grass.
Yeah.
Oh, go down.
That's amazing. We have learned
Yeah. How
all
about
the
this?
animals in the paper.
How about this, Mama?
That's it.
Dad?
Thank you.
How about
That's
this?
all for today. Hey, say
No.
goodbye. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.
No.
Bye bye.
No.
What do you want?
I want the animal. Will you choose that?
You want more animals? No more animals. We have learned all the animals here.
How about this?
Don't use your food. That's bad boy.
What's that?
What? Alright, last animal is...
Tiger.
That's a tiger. How does the tiger roar?
Yeah.
How?
He eat this.
Just a tiger roar? Or it's just a lion? Bye.
Now next.
That's all for today.
Now
Thank
next,
you.
Dad.
Thanks for watching.